This ABC vacuum, we've got the source green heat. This is one of the infrared heaters that's pretty popular right now. This is actually a remanufactured model. So this one here has two grades it comes in, B grade and A grade. A grade tends to be completely perfect, looks just like new. B grade still works the same, everything's fine, but it'll have a blemish or two like you can see right here. There's also a real small one right there. So that's just kind of an example of what B grade is. And then we also have our temperature control right here, which is going to, basically help the unit with thermostat turn on and off. And then we've got their power control up and down, to get your temperature that you like. And then there's also a timer function, so if you want to run for just a certain amount of time, then you can use that. I'm going to just turn it on here. And it's running. You can see it's really quiet. One of the things about infrared heating is that it's just going over 4 bulbs. This is a 4 heating element unit, so you usually see them anywhere from 1 to 2 to 4 to 6. Those are just going to increase the heating capacity of how much area you have. This one's rated for up to 1,000 square feet. So already I can feel the heat coming out of it right here, and what most people, when they first feel this kind of heat, they're not used to it, because this kind of heat actually doesn't just radiate a hot spot. So if you put your hand up to it like this, it just kind of sizzle your hand off. And this is what makes it safe. It can't start fires. There's nothing combustible that can actually get in the elements. So, and if you see here, I can actually put my hands on the grate. Pets have no problem climbing up here and sleeping, because this whole part right here stays completely cool. Again, the way this heat works is it actually goes out and heats the air. It doesn't heat the actual immediate area. So that's why it can do a larger square footage. It takes a little time to circulate the air because the fans are particularly small in these, but they have to be so that they're getting enough time across those heating elements to heat that air up and then push it out. So yeah, it's really warming up right now. And also you can kind of see those elements glowing a little bit. Just going to turn it off. It's getting hot here. This is also a filter in the back, which keeps, kind of like an air filter, just a standard one like on an AC unit. You can clean that just by washing it, so not a big concern there. Again, your grate right here is going to be very easy to deal with. It doesn't let anything get in there, so nothing can really combust like a piece of paper or something like that. Safe around kids, safe around pets. And just safe in general. One of the great things about infrared heating. So again, this is a B of the remanufactured Green Source. Green Source was sold in Walmart's, so in case you might have seen one there. But we have these, and also in the A grade. A grade won't have those little blemishes like we were showing on front. So you can make your choice there, whichever one you want to buy. And also check out, if you think you might need it, get the 6 element. This is a 4 element. And the 6 element are also available. So whenever you're looking at these, you want to look at that. So there we have it, the Source Green infrared heater.